pregnant.
He says, you're going to be a big brother.
But Mummy's pregnant.
Yay! We're having
Come and see.
a baby!
Wow. So I look awful. Apologies. I wanted to come on and do an update. So I'm pretty sure the last one I did was Thursday evening, which was the evening before little Miss was born. It's been eventful. I think I'm gonna do like a whole separate video explaining what's happened, but basically she's 4 days old today. We're still, as you can see, in hospital. We had a bit of a moment with her last night where she needed to be in an incubator with light therapy. That's my pump down there. So long story short, I was first on the list to have her on Friday morning, so this was the 10th of September. So everything was fine. We actually went down about 9:20 in the morning. Everything went really smoothly. Couldn't have asked for a better experience. It was just really lovely. The whole team was amazing, and she was born, so we were wheeled to recovery. The hospital is super busy, so we were actually in a recovery bay for about 36 hours. I had my catheter in, couldn't have it out, couldn't have my cannula out, so literally bed banged, obviously in quite a lot of pain. I then got moved to the transitional care ward, which is the ward just outside of the NICU. So it's a high dependency ward, but it's just where babies go when they need a bit of an extra support. So because she was born prematurely at 36 weeks, we always knew we were going to be staying on this ward for a couple of days. So when did that happen? That happened on Saturday evening, so yeah, about 36 hours. And so obviously things were just going as per I thought they would with recovery. And then the following day she was weighed, and she'd lost 11% of her weight. So she was £6.1 born, and she'd gone down to £5.7, and her blood levels, she had jaundice, and she was just under the line of needing treatment for a couple of days, so they were happy just to keep trying to flush her through with the breastfeeding. And yeah, that was how it stood. But obviously because of her weight loss, we couldn't go home. And then at 11:30 last night, so that would have been Monday evening, so she was 3 days old, I got told that her blood levels had spiked and she was now in the treatment zone. So I had the incubator wheeled in. I'm on my own because Tom can't stay with me. It's a King's hospital policy. So yeah, it's just been really, really stressful. But thankfully she's only needed about 15 hours on light therapy. She's due another check tonight. When they checked her earlier this afternoon, she was able to come out, so she's now able, maybe with this tray, excuse the state of my room. I just thought I'd do an update because Tom's going to pop up and see me before visiting hours are over. So yeah, she's able to sleep next to me in her little crib. So I'm very grateful that I have my own room. I'll flip the camera around. As you can see, it's very, very spacious. We just don't have like a bathroom or anything. They're all in the corridor, so I need to go on like little walks and stuff with her to go to the toilet. But yeah, we are hoping, the plan is that we come home tomorrow. But obviously I'll need to update you guys if that happens or not. I'm really, really hoping it does, because at this point I haven't seen Darcy and Olly since last Wednesday. So tomorrow will be a week that I was admitted into hospital. Yeah, it's been really tough. Really tough. The last few weeks have been really tough, especially with all the growth concerns around her. But she hasn't lost any more today. She's actually put on a little bit, so she's about 10.4% instead of 11%. So we're hoping that we can get it under 10% tomorrow. That will be the trigger if we can go home. So we're just trying to feed her up. And the plan is that we go home. And then I'm really hoping I can show you Darcy and Olly meeting her for the first time. I'm not sure if this is going to pick up here, but obviously children are allowed in the hospital. That's my card Olly made me. Can you see that little cutout there in the window? That's where they've been looking at her. That's all they've been able to see. So yeah, it's been a bit heartbreaking. And they've found it really hard. Tom's obviously found it really hard because he's had to be away from obviously me and the baby. He's been trying to hold down life at home. But yeah, on a positive, we're all good. Although it's been stressful, we're all good. And I'm just thankful that she's here safe and sound. And I'm just doing all that I can at the moment to feed her up. So I am gonna go and pump, I think now. I have a little setup. So she is being breastfed, but I have to do 15 minutes of breastfeeding and then top her up with expressed milk so she doesn't get too tired, because she's obviously quite tiny at the moment. She was 5 pounds 7 when they last weighed her. Yeah, and then we're gonna see Daddy for an hour or so, and then it'll just be me and baby girl for the evening, and hopefully I can go home tomorrow. But yeah, I feel quite good today. I had a shower. Tom helped me in the shower. Just excuse my hair. I haven't washed it in probably about 2 weeks at this point. But yeah, I had a shower, so feeling better, able to move around a bit easier. But yeah, it's nothing like being at home and there, so fingers crossed that we can go home tomorrow and see everybody. But yeah, I'll give you a close-up of her now. So officially 1 week old today. You're officially 1 week old. And I am praying we can go home because I have a whole story to update you on. But for now, I'm staying positive and processing all the positive vibes that we can go home. It's been a while since I've updated you, but we're finally going home. So this is my 11th day in hospital and she's 8 days old. We're going home, she's got her going home outfit on. So yeah, I can't wait to see the kids, I miss them so much. Let's get home, Miss Penny Pops. Miss Penny Pops, are you ready to meet your brother and sister? Are you? They're so excited. Look. Little sister. Stay nice and cozy warm. Good girl.
Mummy! Hi! Where's baby Sissy? Mummy, I've missed you so much.
She cute?
Yeah. I didn't know you were coming home.